Approximately 50% of men snore and 25% of women snore. Snoring can be caused by a couple of different things. If you have an allergy or a cold, if you're overweight, or if you drink alcohol before bed. But I have some hacks for you to get rid of snoring. It's really important to make sure that you sleep on your side with your head elevated. And you could do this by placing a body pillow behind your back to prevent you from sleeping on your back. Some people tell me they attach tennis balls to their pajamas. Not quite sure how you do it, but if you try it, let me know. Some of the other things that are really important are decreasing your nasal congestion and obstruction, and you could do that with the use of nasal strips. And a humidifier can also be helpful by relieving your allergy symptoms. And something that I found really interesting is the use of turmeric. You could take 2 tablespoons of turmeric, mix it in a glass of warm milk, and drink that right before bed. Now, the antibiotic and antiseptic properties in the turmeric decrease inflammation and swelling in the neck, decreasing your likelihood of snoring. Now, if these hacks don't work, it could be because you have an anatomical problem in your neck and you may need to see your doctor to talk about it. The next time you have noisy and disruptive sleep, I hope you try these hacks and they help. Come back for more Hack Your Health videos from The Well by Northwell.